We're here in Modesto, California, and we're going to, at the swimming pool, as you can see. What we're going to do is to test the solubility of some NaCa slurries that we've been putting together in the lab. First thing that we want to do, because we know solubility is a function of temperature, we're going to take the temperature of the water. And it is 76, 77 degrees. The first material we're going to test is a suspension of NaCa in just water. There's no thickening agent added to this material, so it has a tendency to settle out. You can't see it's settled at the moment, but you have to shake the bottle with this one because it's got no thickening agent. But the material has got about the consistency of milk. We're going to add this to the water just in this area here, which is an area in the deep end, and it's an area of turbulence. Remember, we want to get this to mix and dissolve. Now, you can see it's dissolving instantaneously. Now you can see also that last bit that went in, I hadn't shaken the bottle up really well. That's falling close to the bottom. But if the camera gets in and tries to get a close-up, you can see that some of that material has stayed in an undissolved form close to on the bottom of the pool. We'll rinse the bottle. No chunks this time. Okay, we're going to cut the camera and try the test again, this time with a suspension which has got a thickening agent in it. Cut. Somewhere. We'll be able to dislodge that.
Action.
As you can see, there's still some material on the bottom of the pool that's undissolved. So we can get a camera angle on that. That's that white stuff. So now using the stick brush, I'm going to see how readily it breaks up. If I can get there. Oh, it's real easy. Breaks up really easy and then dissolves instantly. Okay, we're going to cut the camera and try with the other material.
Go.
We're going to repeat the test with the other suspension, the other gel of nacre, which has been thickened, and look at the dissolution properties of that. We've got a gallon of this material here to treat this about this 20,000 gallon pool that I estimate to be. We're going to add it in the same way. It's coming out of the bottle slower because it's thickened and suspended. I can see that some's already hit the bottom, but most of it you can see break up. That powder broke up and dissolved. Rinse of the bottle. Everything's clean. We'll wait a while and take a look at the bottom of the pool again. the camera can come in and take a look. I can still see there's quite a bit of undissolved material on the bottom of the pool, which is 8 foot deep, by the way. But by far most of the slurry broke up and dissolved in that cloud before it ever hit the bottom. What we're going to do now, we're going to hit the pause button on the camera and cut and see how fast this breaks up. Okay, there's still some NaCl powder that we can see that's undissolved at the bottom of the pool. So the camera may not be able to pick this up because it's there's not that much of it, but what we can see, I'm going to try break up with the brush again. Actually, I can't see much of it at all now. There, did you see that puff?
Mm-mm.
Oh, here, can't you? Well, can you see the white stuff here? Where the brush, underneath the brush?
I can see it, but not on the camera.
Oh, okay. There.
Oh. So gone.
Everything's dissolved. And that's the end of the demonstration. Put the camera.